Craig here from North 49, and today we're going to cover 5 facts about your inner ear infection. Fact number 1, it's going to get better. You're feeling awful right now. This is probably one of the worst things you've ever had to experience. I'm sorry about that, but you know what? It's going to get better. And if you're going to remember anything about this video, remember it's going to get better in the next few days. Fact number 2, looking in your ear with something like this won't tell us anything. These are really good for checking out the outer ear and if something's maybe wrong with the middle ear, but not the inner ear because it's too deep in the skull. It's actually encased in the hardest bone in your body. And if we could see it, it looks something like this. But in reality, the size of it is something like this. Super small. Okay? So don't be upset if the physician didn't look in your ear because it's not going to tell us anything in regards to an inner ear infection. Fact number 3 is there wasn't anything that you likely did that caused this inner ear infection. It wasn't something you ate or drank or anything you did or didn't do or lifestyle choice. Majority of the time, inner ear infections are due to a virus, and unfortunately they just happen. Fact number 4 is in the first few days, you're feeling awful, take it easy. Don't feel you have to do your regular daily activities, right? Let it run its course. It's a virus. Let it run its course. It'll be bad for a handful of days, so take it easy. You may want to see your family physician. Sometimes they can prescribe medication to improve the symptoms such as beta-histine or Circ or something for your nausea. And also, too, it's good to seek medical attention, make sure it's not something else, all right? So don't deal with this on your own. Seek medical attention. In the first few days, feel free, though, to take it easy and take some medication. Which leads us to fact number 5, is we don't want to be taking it easy and taking the medication for a long period of time. The therapeutic benefit for medication is in the first few days. But if you keep taking it, actually the research shows that it slows down the recovery process, which isn't something we want. So beta-histine and Circ is good for the first few days, but if you keep taking it, it can actually slow down your recovery. And that goes too with activity. We want to take it easy for the first few days, but after that, we got to start doing a little bit more and more activity. Maybe counterintuitive because it doesn't make us feel good, but after the first few days, we need to start moving more. And that's where a vestibular therapist comes in to help you get back to your normal activities. And also, too, we often prescribe exercises to make sure that your recovery has been maximized. So there you go. 5 facts about your inner ear infection. Don't deal with it on your own. Seek medical attention. And if you live in the province of Saskatchewan, we'd love to hear from you. I'd love to work with you. But if not, you can access vestibular therapist on our website. It's www.vestibular.org. The address will be in the notes for this video. And if you have any further questions, feel free to contact your family physician or healthcare team. With that being said, hope you found this video beneficial and all the best with your recovery.